Today at Dalus we're excited to announce a new MCP server. If you don't know what an MCP server is, it's basically just a connection you can now do with Dalus to existing AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, or any other tool that supports an MCP server. A big problem in the system engineering ecosystem is that it's really hard to connect tools with each other or just get the data out of your system model. That is kind of like the thing that the MCP server solves. So now you can connect, for example, Jira or any CAD tool or simulation tool directly with the SysML v2 model in Dalus. And I want to show you one or two examples on what you can do with this. So for example, in this case, I'm using Claude and I'm asking it to compare my open issues in Jira with my requirements in Dalus for my Bluetooth speaker model. And as you can see, it first looked through the Dalus model, it looked through the requirements, and now it lists all my connections in Jira and my open issues, and it will analyze what the overlay is. And you can really use this as a way to really, as I said, connect data with each other. And it doesn't need to be Jira, it can be really any other tool that supports an MCP server. Or let's go to ChatGPT, for example. I'm asking it to create a certain document, like a system safety document for my model in Dalus, and it will create a Word document based on the data and the requirements it can find in Dalus. You can use it for any type of CDR, PDR, requirements document, and these tools are already very good at these kind of jobs. Last but not least, you can connect Dalus now to your software engineering environment. In this case, I'm in Cursor, and I'm asking it to see if there's any issue between my requirements in Dalus for my Bluetooth speaker model and the code I have here. And it will look through the Dalus model, it will look through the code, and will identify any issues or blockers based on what it can find. While this new MCP server opens up so many more capabilities and possibilities, we wanted to make it a bit easier for you to understand what's possible. So we're also introducing this MCP workflows page today that you can access. Here you can really see what kind of examples this MCP server makes possible. So tools like Jira, Teamcenter, Doors, Onshape, Fusion, how to connect these with each other, and for example, deliverables. For all of these, we have prompts written. So for example, if you want to create, let's say, a requirement specification document, you can just go in here, and for some of the standards, we basically have existing templates already. So you can go in here and basically just copy the prompt, put it into your AI tool, it will go through the model and generate, in this case, a System Requirements Specification document based on the actual standard. There was one thing I forgot to tell you guys. Next week, I'm gonna post my favorite workflows. So Monday, Tuesday to Friday, every day, and post how to generate documents with the MCP, how to connect it to your favorite tools, and more things. So he's already excited. I hope you are too.